Okay, hi there. This is the video for project 2, tasks 1, 2, 3, and 4. For these tasks, I've prepared a script that has all the commands, and it's basically just task 1, task 2, 3, and 4. In task 1, it's pretty much straightforward, just getting the version, then the types of ciphers that are supported by the machine. In task 2, the main work is creating a folder and copying the default OpenSSL configuration file to create a certificate authority, and then creating the directories for the certs, the new certs and CRLs, and creating the index and touching the serial file and echoing 1000 into it. Task 3 is initially creating a certificate for the certificate authority. It'll be a self-signed certificate, and it's basically just saying that the output should be in the CA cert, and the key should be in CA.key. The configuration used is supposed to be OpenSSL conf. The pass out is parameter is the password that is used to access this key, and the subject is I did this command instead of doing the prompt because using this command directly just creates the key without waiting for any prompt from the user side. The important thing to be noted here in task 2 is that you'll have to change the OpenSSL configuration file to if you can see here, this is the default OpenSSL configuration file. The demo CA, this directory should be changed from this to the directory that I'm creating. And additionally, um, the website that you're going to try and access should also be changed in this. Here you need to add a line saying that 127.0.1.0.1 should be the website that you're going to try and access. So that is task 3. Um, you're also creating a private key pair for the private key and public key pair for the server that you're going to host, and use the CA to sign it. So this is how we do it. The batch is just an argument so that you don't get any additional prompts once you sign the key. And this is just to verify the if the certificate was properly made or not. The sed command, as I mentioned, is used to change this line to say that 127.0.0.1 is supposed to have loki.com. Then finally, I'm creating a new file called the server.pem and adding the key and the certificate to the pem, and then using that to start an OpenSSL server. Okay, so this is the basic script. So once I execute the script, it's going to stop and wait for me to enter the password for the server.pem. Okay, yes. So everything is done. We have verified it. Now I'll just enter the passphrase. Yes, now there's a uh, server running and listening for incoming connections. Let's just see. HTTPS. It's loki.com 4433. It is untrusted connection. Yes. Now the next part should be to add the certificate to the trusted certificates. So I'm just going to import the key. It's going to be in Ubuntu lab 2 CSCert open. So why we can view this certificate. For Loki.com, it's from the Thought Lab, and the organization is ASU, and everything that I just gave. Okay. Okay, close. Let me just go and see again. It should go in without any problems. Yes, that's it. So now I can access the website, and since it has the key that signed it, it does not throw any errors. Now the next part would be to make it work here. So for this, let me see. I need to add the and to make changes to this. Oops. So this is the IP address of the VM1 machine. So let's excuse me. So let's see what happens if I try and access. See, it's an untrusted connection. That's what's gonna happen. So I need to import the key from the from VM1, and the key is going to be at 192.168.3.2 bo2 ca.crt to ca.crt. Yeah. Oh, right. Let me just see what's the IP. 3.4. So it's going to be that. Password is 123456. Whoa. Ooh. It's a spelling mistake. Ubuntu, not oot. Okay. 123456. Yes. So it has been copied. Now let me just import this. It is open trust view. This is for Loki, same thing. Okay. Okay. Yep. Now let's just go and see. HTTPS. Yes. So that's it. So now I can access this from Kali, and it doesn't throw any errors. Now the next part should be to just test the speed of the OpenSSL, AES, and OpenSSL, RSA, and AES. So it just does this for 10 seconds for the 512-bit private key, private RSAs, and everything. So it first it does for 512, then 1024, then 2048, and it just continues like that. So that's that. SB AES. So it does that for 3 seconds. Yes, and that's it. So that's about it. Just testing this, and I tried to do all of this, but since the certificate was for a particular website name, Loki.com, all of these I wasn't able to access them. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.